Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling page refresh on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The page refresh setting will refresh the display with every page turn, thus eliminating ghosting. Ghosting is when the previous page is faintly visible under the current page. It sometimes happens with e-ink displays. With page refresh switched off, the page will still automatically refresh after 6 pages. From the Kindle homepage, tap the 3 dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Reading Options. You can now turn the toggle to the right of page refresh on and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.